Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. Today I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys footage I had actually filmed a while back. It was one of those situations where initially when I was reviewing the footage, I didn't really like it. And I decided not to include it in the final video, but then upon thinking about it again and revisiting it, I still really do want to share the look with you guys. I think it's great. It's going to be a braided headband tutorial, and I think it's great for the current situation. If you haven't had a haircut in a while, don't know what to do with your hair. And it's just a great look to rock to get your hair out of your face and keep cool in this summer heat. So yeah, I still want to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm continuously trying to build up my channel, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on anything. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. Hey everyone, so I thought I'd also throw in this bonus hair tutorial. I'm still being really creative with how I do my hair and get my hair out of my face, while staying cool and looking put together for all my conference calls. Yeah, so this is actually going to be a braided headband, so let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and take your brush and brush out your hair, because it is not good to braid your hair when there are lots of tangles. You want to start with the side part. And basically you want to section off the part of your hair that's going to serve as the headband versus the rest of your hair, so that way you can just get the rest of your hair out of the way. So you want to do it for both sides of the part. So I'm just going to first tie off this part, and then you want to do that for the rest as well. So okay, and then you want to drape your hair over to one side, and then basically you're going to start doing an inverted braid all the way across. So just take a section of the hair, split it into three, and do the motion of under and then under, and make it tight as well. And then after the first cycle, you want to incorporate hair into both sides and continue the motion of bringing both under the middle. And then once you get to the other side, you just want to tie it off. You just want to finish braiding and then tie it off with a clear elastic. Then you just want to drape it to the back, and then take your bobby pins and pin it there. Again, one problem I have with my layered hair is I'll just get pieces sticking up. You can just go ahead and take these bobby pins and pin them down. Then go ahead and free the rest of your hair off. And then you're just going to bring them around your head and drape it however you like. And basically there you have it. You have this textured braided headband that's pretty, relatively quick, relatively easy. Get your hair out of your face, you look somewhat put together. Yeah, hope you guys liked it. And thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you like the bonus hairband look. And yeah, stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.